Morning students, I am going to solve exercise 4.1 long answer type questions type 4 long answer type questions. In question number 29, taking 5 examples, verify that cube of all even numbers are divisible by 8. First of all, we take 5 examples of even numbers, and after that we shall show that these numbers are divisible by 8. So, taking 5 examples of even numbers, let 5 examples of even numbers be 5 examples of even numbers be 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, dot. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let 5 examples of even numbers be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now we shall show that the cube of all even numbers, cube of 2 is equal to 2 cube बराबर 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. Cube of 4 is equal to 4 cube. We can write 4 into 4 into 4 is equal to 64. And cube of 6 is equal to 6 cube is equal to 6 into 6 into 6, therefore 216. And cube of 8 is equal to 8 cube बराबर 8 into 8 into 8 is equal to 512. Okay. Cube of 10 is equal to 10 cube बराबर 10 into 10 into 10 is equal to 1000. Here we see that and multiples of 8 are is equal to 8, 24, 32, 8 multiples of 8 at dot 64 at 16 और दूसरा 5 856 plus 216 dot 512 1000 dot 1000. Multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32 dot 64, 512 and 1000. Hence it is verified that the cube of even numbers are divisible by 8. Hence, cube of even numbers, cube of even numbers, cube of even numbers are multiples of 8. It is because 8, 16, 24, 32, dot dot dot, 64, dot dot dot, 512, dot dot, and 1000 are multiples of 8. Hence it is verified that cube of all even numbers are divisible by 8. Hence cube of all even numbers. Hence the cube of all even numbers multiples of 8 are cube of all even numbers, hence the cube of all even numbers are here 8, 16, cube of all even numbers. Taken 5 examples of even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and cube of 2 is equal to 8, cube of 4 is equal to 64, cube of 6 is equal to 260, cube of 8 is equal to 512, and cube of 10 is equal to 1000. Here 8, 16, 216, 512, 1000 all are divisible by 8. Hence it is verified that the cube of all even numbers are divisible by 8. Now I am going to solve question number 30. Write the cube of 5 positive integers which can be written in the form 3n plus 2, for example 5, 8, 11, and examine that the cube of a positive integer which can be written as 3n plus 2 can also be written in this form. Write the cube of 5 positive integers which can be written in the form 3n plus 2. 5 positive integers which can be written in the form 3n plus 2. 5 positive integers which can be written in the form 3n plus 2. Form 3n plus 2 which can be written in the 3n plus 2 when n is equal to n बराबर 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 are are 4, 7 or 5, 8, 11 or 5, 8, 11. 5, 8, 11 dot dot. Now n is equal to 2. n बराबर taking n is equal to 1. n is equal to 1. 3n plus 2. n is equal to 1. 3n plus 2 is equal to 3 into 1. 3 into 1 plus 2 is equal to 5. n बराबर 2. taking n is equal to 2. 3 into 2 plus 2 3 into 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. taking n बराबर 11. 3n plus 2. 3n plus 2 is equal to 3 into 11 plus 2. 11 plus 2 is equal to 11 plus 2 is equal to 35. Here 35. Five positive integers which can be written in the form 3n plus 2 when n बराबर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are 5, 8 and 12. If n is equal to 3. Now 5q is equal to now dot 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 now 5q is equal to 5 into 5 into 5 is equal to 125. Writing in form of 3n plus 2 is equal to, we can write 3 into 41 plus 2. 3 into 41 plus 2. 8q बराबर 8q is equal to 8q बराबर 8 into 8 into 8 is equal to 512. For 512, we can write in the form 3n plus 2. We write 3 into 170. 3 into 170 plus 2. And 11q बराबर 11q is equal to 11 into 11 into 11 is equal to 1331. 331. Writing in the form of 3n plus 2, we write 3 into 3. We write 3 into 1329. 1329 3 plus 2. Here we see that cube of 5 is equal to 125. 8 cube बराबर 512. 11 cube बराबर 11 into 11 into 11 बराबर 1331. So it is verified that any positive integer of the form, it is verified that the cube of a positive integer which can be written as 3n plus 2 can also be written in this form. Hence, the cube of 5 positive integers hence the cube of 5, hence the cube of 5 positive integers cubes, hence the cube of 5 positive integers can be written in the form 3n plus 2. So it is verified that. First of all, we take 5 positive integers which can be written in the form 3n plus 2 when n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 5, 8, 11. Taking n is equal to 1, 3n plus 2 बराबर 3 into 1 plus 2 बराबर 5. Taking n बराबर 2, 3n plus 2 बराबर 3 into 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. And taking n बराबर 3 into n, 3n plus 2 बराबर 3 into 3 plus 2 बराबर 11, and so on. Any positive integers may be taken. Now cube of 5 is equal to 5 into 5 into 5 is equal to 125. We write 125 in the form of 3n plus 2. Here 3 into n बराबर 41 plus 2 is equal to, we can write it in 3n plus 2 form of 8 cube बराबर 8 into 8 into 8 बराबर 512. Writing in the form of 3n plus 2, 3 into n plus 2, and 11 cube बराबर 11 into 11 बराबर 1331. Writing in the form 3n plus 2 is equal to 3 into 443 plus 2. Hence we see that the cube of 5 integers can be written in the form 3n plus 2. Verified. So using this process, according to this process, now you can solve the 31, 32, 33, 34. Only 4 problems have been left in this exercise. So I believe that you can complete it, and in next class I will start next exercise 4.2. Thank you.